FIG stock analysis and Figma stock predictions for next week and onward. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Especially with Figma, the price is already going down with a very decent amount. I know like maybe I'm getting some hate now because a lot of people are bullish on Figma, but just recently I've been correct. So far it's pending, still hasn't yet delivered, but so far I've been correct with Figma's performance here. It's sitting at $89.59. This was just made like 7th of August. You can see pre-market when the price was $89.50 and then came down. So I'm not saying it's like a forever thing. I just want to get the lows taken care of. And even if I pop here, I have like 5 results here in the Discord as well. So I'm not going to just assume stuff, but if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will for sure continue to keep you updated. Goodbye, Nigeria, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.